Hey gang, Richard Weberg here. In today's video, I want to share with you an exciting traffic source we use called TrafficForMe. TrafficForMe is a solo ad service provider that is out of this world good. It has some of the highest conversions out of all the solo ad places we buy from. TrafficForMe is very highly recommended by us because every time we buy clicks here, we get tons of opt-ins, signups, and sales. So all these traffic sources that we use, we share with you in your 8 steps or through our emails to you guys and on our blog and stuff like that. But there'll be a link below this video, either in the YouTube description for TrafficForMe, or if you're watching it on my daily action step videos that I've been doing to show you what we do on a daily basis in our marketing. You just go scroll down past the videos on the page, and below you will find a link to TrafficForMe, a link for Now Lifestyle, a link for your 8 steps. Everything that we share with you in these videos, how to use, there is a link for below so that you can follow along with exactly what we do. Today, we're going to buy a solo ad, and we're going to use one of our lead capture pages from Now Lifestyle, from the Done For You lead capture system. And in your 8 steps, we are going to split the clicks that we are buying, and we are going to use one of the squeeze pages that we created for you that is tied into your Now Lifestyle autoresponder. And again, your 8 steps is a program that we use to build our downline in Now Lifestyle, and so that we can build residual traffic. All these programs that we share with you have an affiliate program of some kind, so you can get extra clicks, extra credits, extra commissions. And your 8 steps was specifically designed so that you could build your Now Lifestyle downline, connect all the squeeze pages to your Now Lifestyle autoresponder, and build downline in some of these traffic sources so that you can build residual traffic. Now, TrafficForMe has different ways you can buy. They have different premium, or quality of traffic. All their packages we have purchased at one time or another. And these packages are really, really good. You can buy a starter package like this. When you click on that, it'll show you below. So the smallest package they have is 200 clicks for $154. So if you have a budget, this is a place that you want to be buying traffic from, definitely. This is one of our highest recommended sources that we use. For this, what we're going to do is we're going to click on Super Premium Email Traffic. So we're going to click on that. And then I just bought, like a couple minutes ago, 1,000 clicks. So I already have 1,000 clicks pending. But I'm going to show you right now in this video how to purchase. This is extremely simple, and how to add your lead capture pages into the system so that you can get the clicks ran to them. So I'm going to purchase this 500 clicks. I'm also going to get probably some free clicks, most likely as well. One time ASAP usually starts in 24 to 48 hours, and I'm just going to choose that. You can custom time whatever date and time you want it to run on. You can do a monthly if you want it to do every month, like one of your pages you're using and you have a monthly budget that you're using. You can just schedule it to run every 2 weeks, weekly. And we have done that at times, but we're going to go with the one-time ASAP, starts immediately. And it says, would you like to apply your 250 bonus clicks to this order? And the answer is yes, because we refer people to TrafficForMe, we get free solo ads. Yeah, look at that, 250 clicks. That's a decent sized solo ad from a super good quality source. So make sure you take advantage of the resources that we're sharing below these videos, because they're going to help you, get extra traffic without paying for it, because you're building downline in them by recommending the services that you're using. And, we share with you how to do that with your 8 steps. I cannot stress that enough. One of the biggest things that people lack online is enough traffic, and that's why we have a downline builder that helps you build residual traffic. There is no better way to do this than the way that we have designed it for you in your 8 steps, and to help you use Now Lifestyle and build your team in there as well. So yes, I'm going to click on yes. So I want the 250 bonus clicks we've earned. Internet marketing is all about sharing, my friends, and that's what we do through these daily videos, or sharing with you what we do on a daily basis through these videos is we share exactly what we're doing. So now I'm just going to click on Order Now, and I'm going to pay with PayPal, and I'm going to agree to the terms and service, and I'm type my name in this little box here. Then I'm going to click on Pay Now. And I'm just going to log into my PayPal account. You can pay with credit card or debit cards as well. Log in so I can pay for this service. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to select PayPal credit because I'm such a long-standing customer with PayPal. I have tons of PayPal credit. I don't have to look at what my balance is, don't have to transfer money, nothing. I just at the end of the month pay off my balance, and it's basically free service for me through PayPal. So I use that and just pay off whatever I've purchased in traffic for an entire month in one shot. But it's very convenient to pay this way for me, so this is how we do it. And then I'm going to click on continue because this is where we buy a lot of our traffic through is our PayPal account. And voila. Now what I'm going to do is set up the links. And the great thing about, one of the great things about TrafficForMe is we can split this. So if you want to split test two different links, you can. And I am going to use a couple that I've already purchased traffic with many times and know they convert off the charts in your 8 steps in step number 3. So if you go to your steps, you go to step number 3. This is where you connect your Now Lifestyle autoresponder to the done for you capture pages, squeeze pages that we have made for you. And I'm going to go down here at the bottom of the page and go to number 8. This one has converted extremely well, and I'm going to copy that, come up TrafficForMe, and I'm going to paste this in here. I'm going to paste it over. See how this HTTP showed up? I'm going to paste it over that so that disappears. And then I'm going to click on add another page, and I'm going to leave this at a 50-50 split. Now I'm going to go back to Now Lifestyle. I'm going to go to the reseller tools at the top here. Then I'm going to go to the promo links here, click on opportunity, and click on my lead pages in this left-hand menu. You click on promo links, then opportunity, and you can see you got different categories for your links. And I'm going to click on lead pages. And then in this box right here where it says choose link, click on that, and it opens them up with a snippet. And I can scroll down a little further because the one I want is right here. This page converts really well. And once you click on it, it actually loads it with a bigger snippet of it. And then your link shows up down here at the bottom with your username in it. You can create a tracking link. I already know TrafficForMe is a great traffic source. We have had outstanding results every single time. Already had outstanding results with this page, with the Your 8 Steps page I chose. So I am not going to create a tracking link at this moment because there's no need for it, because I know that these two pages convert off the charts. But that's how you can test them. You can set up a tracking link and you'll know exactly where the traffic coming from and your opt-ins and all that kind of stuff. And I'm going to paste this in here. And now we got both of our links in here for me and John. And another good thing about TrafficForMe is you can have the publisher provide the email copy, and usually the publishers that send traffic to your opt-in pages, your lead capture pages, they know their list better than you do. So I let them provide the email copy. Otherwise you can if you want, but I don't recommend it in TrafficForMe. TrafficForMe and these publishers know what they're doing. So I just leave it at have the publisher provide the email copy. So you just need your links. That's it. And then you put them in here. If you want to split it, you can, because you're testing too. Or if you want it to go all to one, which you can, sometimes we do. But for this, I'm splitting it because my lead capture system and Now Lifestyle, and then my lead capture system with your 8 steps, because they all help me do the same thing. But I like building it to two different lists that are both hitting it from a little bit different angle. So I got these in here. Now all I do is click on submit campaign, and that's it. You can see they give you a referral link that you can refer people to earn free clicks. And in your 8 steps, we have a downline builder that if I show you it real quick, if you go to step number 4, you can see the different traffic strategies we teach you. You click on solo ads, and I will show you something really cool. This downline builder has TrafficForMe in it. You take this little code from right here at the end of the link, which will be yours. You copy it, and in your 8 steps, you bring it over here and you paste that in here. And you can see I already have mine in place for me and John. And that's how simple it is. This is a downline builder. When people follow you into your 8 steps through your email marketing, they will join you in some of these programs and you will earn residual traffic and commissions. And you will build your Now Lifestyle team and downline. It is awesome the way we do things. We have a ton of experience and been doing this stuff for a very long time. We literally give you everything we do step by video, over the shoulder, watch us do stuff. And that's it. I'm all done. That campaign will run, and now I just click on finish. And my traffic will start to run. I got 2 traffic packages bought here. You can see clicks ordered, 200 or 1,250 free here, 500 I bought here, and 250 free there. So I wanted to give you an example of that and show you that today. And TrafficForMe, like I said, is one of our highest recommended sources of traffic that we use because it is damn good quality. We will get a ton of opt-in signups and sales out of that because we'll follow up then with the people that get on our list, and we will share with them our Now Lifestyle opportunity, and we will share your 8 steps with them to show people how we build our residual traffic and our team in Now Lifestyle. Other than that, my friends, I will see you on the next video. I hope you have a super day.